CapCut video editing tutorial, how to use CapCut for making amazing videos and more. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut to make amazing videos for yourself. If you want to add it in your Instagram reels, if you want to add it for your business, if you're a TikToker, if you're an influencer, you can use CapCut to edit your videos in a really professional manner without having any hassle and without having any technicality in it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open capcut.com onto your web browser. I'm showing you the version that I will have on my web browser, but mainly CapCut is an app as well, so you can just go on and find it on Play Store and install it into your mobiles, and that will make the whole process a lot easier for you because you make videos on your mobile and you can edit them at that same time from there. But I'm just showing you the basics on this version, on the web version. So right here you can see I have capcut.com open for me. I have tools in this. I have video editor, text to speech effects and filters, trendy music and sound effects, subtitles and transcriptions, auto subtitles, transcribe videos, and text overlay. So these are all the things that are available on CapCut. Then if you scroll down a little bit, you have a free video editor for all your needs, a simple efficient video editing platform that suits you. Okay, so you can open CapCut in your browser, or you can also download your CapCut for your Windows. If you make YouTube videos, then it is better for you if you download it for Windows, and you can edit your videos on your laptop, and for making some very professional videos. And if you are especially making a video that is horizontal, like if it's a laptop display manner, then you must use your CapCut in your browser or in your computer. But if you are making Instagram reels, TikTok videos or something like that, then it is better that you use your CapCut on your mobile. So it depends on the view and overlay of your video. That makes the whole difference. So you can use them both anywhere, but that's simply basically something better that you can do. Then you can just come on and you can get started. I'm just going to get started with open CapCut in your browser, so that I'm not into going to download it right now. Okay, so now what do you want to create? Is it a TikTok video? Is it a TikTok ad, YouTube ad, Facebook ad, LinkedIn ad, Instagram post, Instagram stories, or something? So let's say I want to create a YouTube ad. I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to click on create. Okay, so the template for my YouTube ad has been created. Now I need to upload a project from my computer so that I can edit that video. What you can do is you can just go on and create a upload your media, or you can just go on to stock videos from this option right here and take a video and you can edit it and customize it into your own Facebook or Instagram ad. So as you can see right here, I have these animations and I have these media that I have, so I can choose any media that I want. This is basically sugar bomb, and this is vlog starting media, go, and something like that. Let's see if I have something good. Okay, so I'm just going to choose a very random media from any of these aerial options. Okay, so this media right here, I want to add it. I'm going to edit this specific media into different things. So I'm just going to show you a step-by-step process of what are the available options for you to make this look more good, and how you can add different transitions into this and everything. So this is a basic video of a road, a nightlife, and something. So you can use this specific media when you are creating a film or something, and you can add it as a transition between different scenes, and it'll look good, and it also looks very cinematic and very aerial. So you can do that. You can also find a lot more different medias and everything, but yeah, I'm just going to go with this one right now because this is just for the tutorial purpose. You can also have different categories of different medias. These are cutout text, aerial, time lapse, and advice, celebration, and everything. So what you would need to do next is you need to go onto the audio, and if you want to add a different audio to your media, you can just do that from this option right here. Okay, so you can find different songs like Lazy Sunday and Ninja, and these are basically some tunes and something. So you can go on and you can add these, or you can also search for songs and singers on this option right here, and you can add those music into your media. The next thing is basically effects. You can also add different effects to your media. If you want to add a laugh, you can just go on and add laugh, fight, transition, food, ambience, and everything, or musical instruments. You can add these kind of medias to your project as well. So I'm just going to go on to musical instruments. Okay, so from here you can see you can have different options. I've entered the musical instruments because this is what is going to go with my media right here. So you have your guitar strum, your drum and bass, your bamboo, flute, your snare drum roll, and classic guitar. So I guess classic guitar is gonna go with the ambience of this specific video. So I'm just going to, go on and add this into my video. Right, this here you have had your classic guitar media, and now what you need to do is you can just go on and you can bring it back to the start of this video. Okay, so you have different options for that as well. You can basically manage the volume of the media that you have, and then you can also fade in duration. You can add different fade in duration. When the video starts, it basically fades in, and when the video ends, it basically fades out. So you can do that as well, and you will have a really look outlook whenever the video rolls. And then you have your speed if you want to increase the speed, if you want to increase the duration and everything, so you can just do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to reduce the duration of the media because I don't want it to be that long. So I'm just going to go on and integrate that with my clip of the video, and so that they both are aligned. Okay, so good to go. Now if I basically turn it on, I'm going to see that it is integrated with my a version of my audio. So after you have done that, you can go on to text and you can add the text to your video. So let's say I am basically promoting some kind of brand. Let's say I am basically trying to I'm making a Facebook ad or something. So I need to get something, I want to write something onto this specific piece of video, this piece of media. So I can go on to my text and I can find different trending written text right here. So this one right here, this one is it looks catchy. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to add in something else. Let's say I want to add, okay, so I have written you'll make it because it is something that it is some kind of emotional wellness, well-being or something. I have just added that onto my video. So you can see this is how it's gonna look. So you can extend it to the end of this video if you want this is it to be the only thing that represents through the whole video. You can change, you can add different text as well. So I'm just going to make it like this, and now I'm going to change the font because the font looks very weird. So I'm just going to make it a little stylish from these kind of fonts. So as you can see, this right here, when I click on this, so this looks a little good, but the problem with that is it is not very visible, it is not very easily readable. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into it again and I'm going to add a different font. Okay, so the next thing that you can add is basically you can add a duration, or you can add specific transition and animation to your text. Like this is elastic telescope, you can make it and you can add this one. Like this is basically fade in. Now you can add others as well, like this is random bounce. Like for example, if you add this one, this is going to happen. Or you can add glitch like this, and you can add these kind of transitions like gender up or dissolve. Let's say I want to add this one, this transition right here, which is dissolve, and this is how it's going to appear. And you can add the duration of the transition, and you can also change it if you want to. For example, this is how it's going to happen, but I guess like it's too much, so I'm not going to add it. I'm just going to stick with bounce or ease in or something like that. Turn horizontal, concentrate, like this one, something like this. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the traditional, which is zoom in, and this is how it's going to look like, and I think it looks good. The next thing is basically stickers. If you want to add some stickers to your video, you can just do that, and it will make everything look more trendy, more good. But this video doesn't require any stickers because it is it is not that kind of video where you can add stickers, but they have a lot of different stickers that you can use from that you can add. Then you have different effects. In your special effects, you have all of these things. You have your rippling, you have purple, orange, you have posters, smoke, and everything. So you can go on and add these kind of effects to your video. This is mostly for when you are using it as Instagram, if you are an Instagram influencer, if you are a TikToker. These are all the effects that you can use for yourself, and like split screen, summer bubble or something. Like if I add this specific effect into my video, this is my whole video so far. I'm just going to wait until this effect loads up. I'm just waiting until it loads, and then we will see how it looks. Okay, so it has been loaded. Now if I add that specific effect onto my video, what it will look like. So you see, this is the effect that you have added. Obviously it doesn't look good because it doesn't go with the video, but I'm just showing you guys how it works and how you can add it. Now if you talk about transitions are the things that make the cuts in the video look good. So what you can do for that is you can create different cuts into your your video, and then you can add different transitions into that whenever you are basically switching from one cut to the other cut, and it doesn't makes it look bad. Like as you can see, these are all the transitions that you can add. And gradient, vibe, you have flashes, you have launch, floodlight, and everything. Then you have different filters, and then you have library of everything that you have done. So after making everything look good, what you can do is you can just click on this export option right here, and you can just export it, this video, and you can use it anywhere that you want. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, just comment it down in the comment section. I will try to get back to you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.